All right, you guys, welcome to my classroom. Okay, so today we're going to be going over the fundamentals of growing a cleaning business. Okay, so this is our very first workshop in our home office. Okay, so I got my first student that just showed up, Miss Cassia. Miss Cassia, say hello.
Hello, everyone.
All right, so I got some snacks for everybody when they come in here. You guys, I am so excited. This is a long time coming. I always wanted to have my own little classroom so that I can actually teach and do the things that I love to do. Okay, so we're going to be holding these workshops every week. I'm going to try to commit to every week, okay? If not every week, at least bi-weekly. But I will be sending out a mass email to everybody that's on our list and let them know when I'm going to be doing the in-person workshops, okay? So make sure y'all tap in, all right? Classes in session is going to be starting in another hour, all right? So y'all stay tuned in. Another thing I can put over here is looking good, because looking good is actually a strategy. When you look good, you automatically feel good, okay? Another thing I'm gonna put up here is being clean. We are in the cleaning industry. I know that might sound cliche, but if you're going through a low vibrational state in your life where you about to foreclosure on your home, you know, those are things that are pulling you over here in this lane. And your mind will start playing tricks on you. All this negative stuff start coming to your head. You wonder why people commit suicide and all that, because they're in this lane right here. That's why they start committing suicide and stuff, because their mind is fucking with you, saying, oh no, I'm not gonna be out of this. I'm no good. Nobody wants me, blah, blah, blah. All this low vibrational shit. You in this lane right here. You gotta figure out how to get back over here to the stuff that made you happy, right? I know, because I know I done been over here in low vibrational lane. Lights turned off, car repoed, I filed bankruptcy, I was locked up, I was homeless. All this will put you in a low vibrational state. And if you don't know how to fight that low vibrational version of yourself, you ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it in this business. Because as a business owner, you have to stay over here. That's why I like to start off before I start telling y'all how to get clients, how to hire people. You're gonna fail if you don't understand this, okay? Because this is gonna happen. A client is gonna call you pissed off, and the client is gonna say, oh, the worker didn't do this. You're gonna call the worker gonna say, yes, I did do that, and then you're gonna be in the middle like, well, she said that she did, and the client gonna say, well, we ain't gonna pay you until blah, blah, blah. And then you over here and the worker, no, I need to get my money, because blah, blah. You're going, it's enough to make you fall over here. And then when you fall over here, you're gonna fuck around and want to quit the business. You ain't gonna want to do the business no more. People are like, man, this is too much. I ain't about to be no damn cleaning business owner. So I like to start it off with this right here, mindset shift. The key is to learn how to fight the low vibrational version of yourself. The way you fight the low vibrational version of yourself is when y'all get home, you write down your highs, everything that makes you hot. Ooh, you know, going out of town. I love to go out of town. Out of town, and I love to be by the water. I like to go to resorts, like 5-star resorts, and be by the water, okay? Because it's something about the setting of a 5-star hotel, room service, you driving your car up, valet service, is something about that just puts me in a different vibe. So I know that about myself. I know that makes me high. Clean, having a clean car, clean house, it ups your vibration, okay? Looking good, go get your hair done, nails done, makeup, do a photo shoot. I guarantee you'll feel better about yourself, right? What people don't understand is when you're in this lane right here, a lot of times you don't think about looking good, do you? You don't think about looking good. You don't think about keeping your shit clean. Your house be nasty. You be walking around the house with a goddamn do-rag on. You be smoking, drinking, all this low vibrational stuff. But you need to realize that the only way to fight the low vibrational version of yourself is if you start doing this right here, right away. So when I find myself falling over here into low vibrational world, I'll look at my list. I'm going out of town tomorrow. I'm about to go get my hair done, get my nails done, because it's a mind thing. I know that these things break up my vibration. Another thing is that keeps me high is environment. Being around the right people. Okay? Being around the right people will uplift you. Being around the wrong people will make you fall over here. Those people that say, I don't know why you want to start a business. Like, why you want to do that? A cleaning business for all that? Like, all that negative stuff? You need someone pouring into you. So you have to realize you got to do an audit on your circle. The people that are around you, if they're not pouring into you, if they're not helping you in any kind of way, you have to get away from them. I don't give a fuck if you get in the corner by your damn self and start looking at YouTube videos that pour into you. But you need something that pours into you every day to keep you going, all right, in order to be a successful business owner. You got to, it's all in the mind, all right? And you got to realize that you got to stop trading time for money. I don't trade time for money no more. If we get a big account, I'm not doing the cleaning no more. I'm going to delegate everything. It took me a while to get here because in the beginning, when I started my business, I was doing all the cleaning, all right? But I had a vision. I said, I'm not going to be doing this forever. I got to learn the business, and then I got to delegate this so I can get what back? My time. Time is more valuable than money. Write that down.